Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to soften your dried out makeup products. Okay, I've had this for like 2 to 3 years now, but I couldn't use them because it dries out really fast. So before, if I want to use them, I use them with like olive oil, but I don't use them immediately. Maybe after applying olive oil, I leave them to sit for like 24 hours before coming back to use them. But now I found this product from Hagar and Esther H&E, and it works out really well, and it works out immediately. So I'm going to be sharing with you how to use it today. So let's get started. So I have this eyeliner from Zikel Cosmetics. Oh, you see how dried that is? You can see it's so dried. I can't even. You can see it's dried out. You can't use it. And this also from H&E. See, so dried. You can't use it. I also got this from Silk Makeup USA. It's dried. You can see, so dried. But then today I've got a savior. I bought this from H&E. It's a makeup seal. Okay, let me read what's written on it. It says it's an alcohol-free multi-purpose solution that softens product and makes them easy to blend. It can also be used as a mixing medium for foundations, for pigments, for lipstick, for concealers, etc. When mixed with products, it makes them smudge free, waterproof, and the color gets even more pigmented. So it can be used for your eyeshadows to make it even more pigmented. It's smudge free, it's smudge proof, waterproof, and makes your eyeshadow even more pigmented. You can also use it with your foundations to make it even lighter or waterproof or smudge free. You can use it with your pigments, with your lipsticks, with your concealer, with everything that dries out really fast, because there are some concealers and there are some foundations that are matte. As you're applying them, they are drying off. So if you can't work with matte foundation well, so you can also use this. So I'm going to show you guys how to use this. So I have my applicator here. So this is how it looks. So this is how it looks. Makeup seal. So let's assume you wanna, okay, let's assume you wanna soften this one. You don't just fill it. You don't just fill it to the brim. So you don't just fill it to the brim just because you want to soften this product out. All you need to do is just to put a drop of it and use for that day. And if you want to use it next time, you come back, you use a drop. You just apply a drop of it into the container, into the product, and then use it immediately. You don't fill the product with this because you're going to waste it. So let's try that out. So let's try that out. So I'm gonna do like this. Okay, you can see I have a drop of it in there. So I'm gonna do the same for this. I'm gonna have a drop of it. Okay, you can see I have a drop of it here. Why are you focusing on this one only? Okay, I have a drop of it inside here. So I'm gonna put another drop here. So I have a drop of the product inside of this. I hope you're seeing it. Okay, so now let's try it out. So this was the first one I added. So this was the first one I added it to. So wow, you can see that as opposed to when I was touching it the first time. You can see. So it's back to life. Do you know I had this for like 3 years, 2 to 3 years, but I refused to throw them away. I was like, no, I can't waste this thing. There should be a way. There must be a way to revive all of this product. Before I use olive oil, like I've said, but it's not. It flows down the eye after some times. Like it smudges. I don't know if that's the right word, but it doesn't stay. It ruins the eye after some time. So I stopped using olive oil. I stopped using olive oil to revive it. So this is out of it. This is the second one. Let's try the second one. So I'm going to use my wipes to wipe it. So I've cleaned it with my wipes. You can see it's product free right now. So let's go for the second one. You can see the second one. Wow, you can see. Okay, let's try out the third one. There's the third one. You can see this is the applicator without any product on it. So now I'm gonna try out this one. This one is really dry. Like this was the first one I got. I got this. I think this one is the one. This one is 3 years old. Then this one's at 2 years. This one's at 2 years old. Then this one 3 years. This is the longest one. This is the first one that I bought. So let's see. Why is this still not focusing? What's wrong with you? Here, okay. You can see that. And this is just because I'm using them just immediately after applying the H&E softener. If I had left it for like 20 minutes to sit, 30 minutes to sit, it will be very pigmented, more pigmented than how it's coming out right now. So you can see that, but you can leave it to sit for it to be more pigmented. So like the product said, you can use it for your eyeshadow to make it even more pigmented and waterproof. You can use it with your foundation, your concealers, your pigments, and every other makeup product that dries out fast. Okay, so I hope I've been able to help you. It's from H&E. I think if you don't get from H&E, there are other products, also other brands that also make products like this. Why is this thing not focusing? So there are other brands that make products like this, so just check them out at your local beauty supply stores. You should find something like this also that can help you out with your products that dry out real fast. So until I see you guys in my next video, stay safe, and please like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you have not, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.